Good morning, it's great to have your company this Wednesday, the 26th of May. I'm Jessica Amir, a senior market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, we saw US stocks have a bit of a volatile night, initially trading high for a couple of good reasons. Half of the US adult population is vaccinated. Secondly, COVID cases in the US are at their lowest levels since June. And thirdly, domestic travel is at its highest level since 2019. So this helped companies like Royal Caribbean and Norwegian Cruise Line rise over 2% each. However, given it's nearing the end of the month, portfolio adjustments are taking place, and some stocks that have made really cracking gains of late saw some profit taking. This explains why we saw Chevron fall about 2% overnight, but hold on to a 2021 gain of 24%, while banks like Goldman Sachs came under a bit of profit taking as well, and their shares fell 1%, with investors locking in profit, while Goldman Sachs shares trade almost 30% higher this year. All in all, the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones ended about 0.2% low, while the Nasdaq closed flat. In other news, Bitcoin is back around 38,000 US dollars, with Elon Musk in discussions about mining sustainability. Now, what to watch today for us? A negative day is on the cards. The futures were early suggesting the market will likely fall for the first time in 5 sessions, with the futures suggesting a pullback of 0.5%. So why are the futures suggesting our market will pull back more than the US did? Well, the biggest part of our market, banks and miners. And we know the price of Australia's biggest export, iron ore, has recently pulled off its new record high, falling from 217 US dollars to about $200, because Chinese authorities are pretty much doing all they can to get the price of iron ore down so they can, of course, pay less for it. We know China wants to produce their own iron ore, and now the country is accusing parties of iron ore price manipulation, with these claims later being rebuked. So this could be an opportunity to buy the dip, because Chinese iron ore demand is back at normal levels, and Australia is exporting a record amount of iron ore. But the iron ore stocks look like they're about to enter a technical pullback because of this. So iron ore stocks to watch include Fortescue Metals, which is Australia's purest solely iron ore player, and it looks like their shares could potentially pull back here, so potentially a buying opportunity. Another iron ore major that's could potentially see a pullback is Mineral Resources, MIN. And the third company to potentially look at, a much smaller company called MGT, Magnetite Mines. They're a iron ore player as well, and their shares look like they could potentially enter a downtrend. So given all of these factors and the recent price pressure, there could be some attractive longer term growth prospects here in this iron ore space, given China won't likely be able to produce their own iron ore for the next 10 to 15 years. Now, separately, keep an eye on some of those most traded stocks from yesterday. At Bell Direct, clients were mostly trading in Link, LNK, Premier Investments, PMV and Appen, APX, while advised clients were trading the most in Western Areas, WSA, and also in LNK and PMV as well. Other companies to watch today, Whitefield, WHF, goes ex-dividends, while some big players go ex-dividend on Friday, like ALL, Aristocrat, and CSR. Company results out today for ALS. ALQ is their ticker, and AGMs today being held for BrainChip, which is an AI company. BRN is a ticker, and energy player Viva Energy, VEA. Now, trading ideas that could be worth a look. Aroa Biosurgery, ARX. They were reiterated as a Bell Potter Speculative Buy. Now, this is a soft tissue regeneration company. Its shares have been in a 5-day uptrend and look like they could break out from a technical perspective, meaning they could rally higher. This is supporting Bell Potter's views. Now, turning back to the fundamentals, Bell Potter likes Aroa's recent results. They were positive and in line with guidance and forecasts, and Aroa's growing their sales force faster than expected and improving surgeon and hospital engagement. Lastly, bullish charting signals have been identified in Super Retail Group, SUL, Bendigo and Adelaide Bank, BEN, and Deep Yellow, DYL, and that's according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Marie with Bell Direct. Have a great day.